of Science, that is crop production and management. In this video, I am going to cover the following topics, which is first is what is agriculture, crops and crops plants, crop seasons in India, basic agriculture practices, crop improvement and green revolution, and food from animals. These are the topics which are going to be covered in this video. Okay, so our first topic is what is agriculture. Here you have to understand that what is the meaning of agriculture or what is the definition of agriculture. If we see the definition of agriculture, we can say that it is a systematic practices or it is the sum of all the systematic practices which are done to grow plants and to rear animals. These are the two branches of agriculture. So if we write these are the systematic practices of growing plants, which are also called crops, and rearing animals. Rearing animals. These practices are done to get food and other commercial products. So we can write here to get food and other products. What are these other products? These are the products or commercial products other than food. For example, we get silk and we get cotton. These are the commercial products which do not come under the category of food. So here if we see the meaning of word agriculture, see this agriculture word is a Latin word. This is a Latin word. Latin is a language here, where agri means field and the word culture represents to grow. So with the help of this word agriculture itself, we can understand its meaning that growing something in a specific area which is called field. So the word agriculture represents the systematic practices which are done to grow plants and to rear animals to obtain food and other products. Okay, so the practices of agriculture are divided into two different categories. The first is farming. Farming represents all those techniques or all those processes which are done to grow plants for food or for the other purposes. You can write here growing of plants is called food, and the second is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the sum of the processes which are done to rear and grow animals for food or the other products like milk, egg, meat, wool, etc. If we see the history of agriculture in India, that we can say, we know that before 10,000 BC, the humans were wandering. That means, we can say that humans were nomad. That means, humans used to wander here and there in search of food, and whenever they get food, they eat it and leave that place and move further in search of their next meal. But after some time, they started growing the crops near riverside or river banks, and the process of agriculture has taken place. So after that time, or we can say in that time, before around 10,000 BC, people or human used to start cultivating the plants or animals for the production of food. Okay, so the next topic is crops and crop plants. Here you have to understand what are crops. Crops are a very major, or we can say the basic unit of the process of agriculture. Crops are, we can say that, all the plants of any type, or we can say that same type. All the same types of plants which are grown in a specific area are called crops. See, if in any area, different types of plants are growing on their own. For example, trees are also growing there, herbs are also growing there, shrubs are also growing there. Then we will not call it a crop. We will call it a crop only when the same type of plants are being grown on the same land. If we see the crop plants, if we see example of a crop, we can say pulse crop, the crop which gives us all the types of pulses. Examples could be the pulse crop. We have example of soya bean, tur, etc. These are the pulse crops. Second type of crop if we see will be cereal crop. Cereal crop have the types like rice, wheat, maize, etc. Then you can see the fiber crops. Fiber crops are those crops which gives us different types of fibers. For example, cotton, jute. Pulse crops are those crops which gives us pulse. These crops are always made up of dicotyledonous seeds. Cereal crops are those crops which are monocotyledonous like rice, wheat, maize. Fiber crops are those crops which gives us fibers. For example, cotton, jute, etc. So the next is crop seasons in India. See, as we already know that in India there is a variety of seasons according to the areas. For example, if we see right now, if we are having rainy season here, in Jammu and Kashmir, we must be having some other type of season which could be winter season or the other. So, if India has such a variety of seasons, then we can divide these crops on the basis of seasons in which they grow properly. For example, in winter season, sufficient water is there, but there are some plants who needs lack water or less water. And for example, in summer season or in winter season, there is not enough water, but there are some plants who needs more water. So we can divide these crops on the basis of their growing seasons. For example, first is Rabi crops. Rabi crops are commonly called as winter season crops. These are also known as winter crops because these are the crops which do not need plenty of water or very high amount of water, so they can grow in winter season. These crops have the specific time duration of growing from, we can say, October to April. That means these types of crops can be sown in or around the month of October and can be harvested in or around the month of April. So these crops are called winter season crops. If we see the examples of these crops, it could be wheat, we can say gram, pea, etc. is Kharif crops. Kharif crops are also called as rainy season crops, or we can say rainy crops, because these are the crops which needs more amount of water and can be grown in the specific duration where water is enough naturally. So these crops can be grown from the month of June to the month of October. That means these crops can be sown in or around the month of June and can be harvested in or around the month of October. Examples of these crops would be rice, maize, bajra. You can remember it with the help of some real life incidents. For example, there's a very interesting incident. Whenever there's rainy season comes, you start enjoying the maize, the corns. So with the help of that incident, you can remember that which are the examples of Kharif crops and which are the examples of Rabi crops.